Hello, my dear friends. Welcome to today's lesson. In this video, we will learn about fluent English conversation. Many people want to speak English fluently, but they don't know how to begin. Some people feel shy. Some people feel nervous. Some people think English is very hard. But don't worry, English is not difficult. If you use easy words, short sentences, and daily practice, you will speak fluently. Today, I will explain everything in very simple English. Even a child can understand this video. Part 1. What is fluent English conversation? Fluent English means you can talk without long pauses. It means you can speak smoothly and clearly. It does not mean you speak very fast. It means you speak naturally. When you are fluent, you can start a talk, you can continue a talk, you can answer questions, you can share your ideas. Here is a small example. Hello, how are you? I am fine. How are you? I am fine too. Thank you. This is very simple, but it is fluent because it is smooth and natural. Part 2. Why do we need fluent English? English is a world language. People from many countries speak English. If you know fluent English, you can talk to anyone. You can talk to your teachers. You can talk to your friends. You can talk to people on the internet. You can talk to people when you travel. You can talk in school, in shops, or in offices. Fluent English is like a magic key. It can open many doors for you in life. It can help you in study, work, and travel.
Part 3. First step. Greetings. Every conversation begins with greetings. Greetings are very important. They make people feel happy. They make people feel respected. Here are some greetings. Hello. Hi. Good morning. Good afternoon. Good evening. After greeting, ask a simple question. For example, how are you? How is your day? What are you doing? When you use these greetings, the conversation starts easily. Part 4. Small daily conversations. Let us learn some easy conversations. Conversation 1. Meeting a new friend. Hello, what is your name? My name is Reema. What is your name? My name is Arif. Nice to meet you. Nice to meet you too. Conversation 2. At the market. Good morning. Do you have milk? Yes, we have fresh milk. How much is it? It is 50 taka. Okay, I will take one. Thank you. You're welcome. Conversation 3. At school. Hi, how are you today? I'm fine. What about you? I'm fine too. What are you doing? I'm reading my English book. That's great. Conversation 4. At the bus stop. Excuse me, is this bus going to the city? Yes, it is. Thank you very much. You're welcome. Conversation 5. With a teacher. Good morning, teacher. Good morning. How are you? I am fine. I studied English yesterday. Very good. Keep it up. These conversations are short, but they are useful for daily life. If you practice them, you will speak fluently.
Part 5. Daily Useful Sentences. Here are some daily sentences you can use anytime. I am hungry. I am thirsty. I am tired. I am happy. I am sad. Let's go. Please sit down. Thank you very much. You are welcome. Excuse me. I don't understand. Can you help me? These sentences are very small, but they are very powerful. If you use them daily, your English will improve. Part 6. Tips for Fluent English Conversation. Now, let me share some tips. Tip 1. Listen every day. Listen to English songs. Listen to English stories. Listen to English talks. This will train your ears. Tip 2. Speak every day. Don't be shy. Talk to your family. Talk to your friends. Talk to yourself in the mirror. Tip 3. Use easy words. You don't need big grammar. You don't need long sentences. Start with small and easy words. Example: I like mango. Example: this is my book. Tip 4. Ask questions. Questions make conversations longer. Example: where are you going? What is your favorite color? Do you like football? Tip 5. Be polite. Always speak with respect. Say please and thank you. Say sorry when needed. This makes your English better. Part 7. Practice with easy topics. You can practice conversation with many topics. Here are some examples. Talk about your family. My name is Rafi. I live with my parents and my sister. My father is a teacher. My mother is a homemaker. I love my family very much. Talk about your daily routine. I wake up early. I brush my teeth. I eat my breakfast. I go to school. I study, play, and come back home. At night, I do my homework and go to bed. Talk about your favorite food. My favorite food is rice and chicken. I also like fruits. I love mango, apple, and banana. They are very tasty and healthy. Talk about your best friend. My best friend is Hassan. He is very kind. We study together. We play football. I like him very much. Part 8. Common questions and answers. Here are some simple questions with answers. What is your name? My name is Sumi. Where do you live? I live in Dhaka. How old are you? I am 10 years old. What is your favorite subject? My favorite subject is English. Do you like ice cream? Yes, I like ice cream very much. What do you do every morning?
I wake up and brush my teeth. Do you have a pet? Yes, I have a cat. Who is your best friend? My best friend is Tanya. These are very small questions and answers, but they help you practice fluency. Part 9. Don't be afraid to make mistakes. Many people feel afraid to speak. They think, if I make a mistake, people will laugh at me. But this is not true. Mistakes are part of learning. Every child makes mistakes. Every student makes mistakes. Even teachers make mistakes. If you want to be fluent, you must practice. If you make a mistake, don't stop. Say, it's okay, I'm learning. Step by step, you will improve. Part 10. Daily Practice Plan. Here is a simple plan. In the morning, say good morning to your family. At school, ask a friend, how are you? At lunch, say, this food is tasty. In the evening, talk to yourself in the mirror. At night, write 3 to 5 sentences in English. If you follow this plan daily, your English will grow faster. Final words. My dear friends, fluent English conversation is not difficult. You can do it. Start small. Use easy sentences. Practice daily. Listen, speak, read, and write. Do not be afraid. Do not stop. Your English will become better and better. One day, you will speak fluently with confidence. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Goodbye.